The Toyota 4Runner is one of the most well-liked SUVs in the world, however its tried-and-true formula is beginning to show its age. Toyota made the decision to send off this aging 4Runner generation with a bang in 2023 because a redesign is forthcoming. The celebration takes the form of the 40th anniversary edition, which gives it a slightly retro feel. And so, in today's episode, let's take a closer look at what makes it so unique. It resembles a standard 4Runner in the majority of ways, which already has a proven and tested formula. Since the 2010 model year, when it was getting close to its 25th birthday, the body-on-frame 4x4 has been supported by the same platform, therefore there haven't been any significant changes. Some harsher critics will attack Toyota for that, however we belong in the side that says the 4Runner's charm stems in large part from its conventional design. It still features a 5-speed automatic, for heaven's sake. The 40th Anniversary Edition, in a nutshell, has that sturdy Toyota feel, and everything about it feels familiar because it is. It is a charming throwback to those of the past, especially if you have owned one, and it has enough to visually distinguish itself from the other 4Runners on the road. All you need to know is that prices have increased significantly since the 1980s. Nobody is interested in Toyota's innovations in the 4x4 market. That's not necessarily a negative thing, though, particularly given that the car maker stands for performance that has been demonstrated in the off-road industry. The full-size Toyota Tundra and Sequoia have already been electrified. The Tacoma and 4Runner will follow, however, not quite yet. Due to its historical foundations, many, including the media, adore this 2023 model. In essence, the 40th Anniversary Edition is an SR5 Premium that costs $2,630 more since it has more upscale features. There's a fancy tailgate badge that announces that you're driving a special edition, a tricolor stripe that runs down the side and momentarily extends through a portion of the grille, and these features. On the dashboard, there is a 1 of 40 inches insignia that serves as a further reminder to you and your passengers of how rare your vehicle is. The 40th Anniversary Edition only bronze 17-inch wheels perfectly complete the appearance. Same simple design prevails inside. Big knobs for the HVAC settings, quad spokes for the thick steering wheel, along with an easy-to-read digital clock are there above the top vents. Once more, despite the fact that this generation of 4Runner has been in production for ages, it has resisted the temptation to add a sizable screen that protrudes from the dash. It has a smooth, easy-to-use finish and is discreetly incorporated into the center stack. Built on the SR5 Premium trim, the 40th Anniversary Edition includes push-button start, leatherette upholstery, and blind spot monitoring. The powertrain is one of the few issues we can directly relate to its age. The only engine available for the 4Runner is a 4-liter V6 with 270 horsepower and 278 pound-foot of torque. Both of those numbers remain the same as when the powertrain had its most recent modification for the 2010 model year. It is coupled with a just-okay 5-speed automatic transmission that is similarly slow. The 4Runner is designed to travel off-road by nature. Although the Bridgestone Dual HT tires on the 40th Anniversary Edition aren't the grippy all-terrains you may expect, they do offer good adaptability. For off-roading, you receive the 2-speed transfer case and ATR-AC active traction control. You don't get the locking diff, crawl control, or multi-terrain select found in more extreme 4Runners. That's cool, though, because this wasn't intended to be the top-tier Toyota 4x4 model. However, even without the frills and gizmos, it's still quite capable off-road. Even if the 2023 4Runner spec sheet data aren't particularly impressive, we believe that its straightforward design is the key selling point. Everything functions as you would like it to and probably will for many years to come. It can't be said for every 4x4 on the market today, but everything feels so neatly put together, very typical for Toyota. It also offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which are practically everything anyone could ask for in terms of entertainment. What you see is what you get with the 40th Anniversary Edition because there are no optional add-on packages. In contrast to the trim this is built on, the SR5 Premium, part-time 4-wheel drive is standard here. 3 colors, black, white, and red, are available for this special commemorative model. The Ford Bronco and 4-door Jeep Wrangler are commonly compared to the 4Runner despite the latter's fixed roof being its only available option. Body-on-frame construction, 4x4, and 2-speed transfer cases are examples of the bold character they share. The JL Generation Wrangler was released for the 2018 model year, making the 4Runner the oldest vehicle in the group while the Bronco is undoubtedly the newer model. Even yet, when compared to the Jeep Wrangler Sahara and Ford Bronco Outer Banks, they all offer roughly the same value at approximately the $50,000 mark for the 4Runner 40th Anniversary Edition. And now, let's check the possible exterior design modifications for the 2024 Toyota 4Runner. Toyota is anticipated to introduce a new 4Runner model in 2024, but as of this time, the company has not officially announced the news. Though Toyota hasn't made an official announcement, there have been rumors and conjecture about possible revisions to the SUV for the 2024 model year. 2024 Toyota 4Runner's new grille design. The Toyota 4Runner 2024 could get a new grille design. As shown by the most stunning digital rendering that is currently available online, a new grille design might offer the SUV an updated and unique appearance. A revised grille might make the 4Runner stand out in an increasingly competitive segment and appeal to a wider variety of buyers even if the present grille design is already bold and muscular. A new grille design may play a significant role in luring new customers to the 4Runner because the grille is a crucial component of a car's external styling. To provide a more eye-catching front fascia, it can have sharper angles, a greater size, or a different design from the existing model. To create a unified appearance across their SUV and truck lineup, Toyota may also draw inspiration from the grille designs of other vehicles, such as the Tacoma or Tundra. The 2024 Toyota 4Runner might have an updated headlight and taillight design. Another potential adjustment Toyota might make to the 2024 makeover is a modified headlamp and taillight design. While the existing headlight and taillight designs are useful and practical, a new design might give the 4Runner and Tacoma a more contemporary and stylish appearance. The efficiency of these lighting components might be increased, and the SUV's overall appearance might be improved, with a new design. It is unclear what modifications Toyota will make, however the 2024 4Runner might benefit from new headlight and taillight designs like the 2023 Lexus NX triple beam LED headlights. 2024 Toyota 4Runner's revised front and rear bumpers. Another possible modification that Toyota might add to the 2024 4Runner is a new front and rear bumper design. Toyota has a history of upgrading the bumper designs of its cars. Several of them include distinctive and useful features. For instance, the Tacoma TRD Pro has a strong, off-road-oriented bumper design, whereas the RAV4 has a sporty, aerodynamic bumper design that goes well with its svelte appearance. The bumper of the 4Runner might also be changed to increase usefulness and appeal. The SUV's current bumper is already quite resilient and capable, however a new design might increase its off-road ability while also giving it a more contemporary and distinctive appearance. A new front and rear bumper design might be a huge improvement for the 2024 4Runner, regardless of whether Toyota chooses to take design cues from its existing models or develop an entirely new concept. Redesigned hood and fenders. The Toyota 4Runner 2024 might get new fenders and a modified hood. These modifications may give the SUV a more muscular and intimidating appearance, resembling the Ford F-150 Raptor or the Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. These cars have hoods and fenders that are aggressive, angular, and give them a harsh, uncompromising appearance. The vehicle's existing design is already fairly stunning, however a new one might make it look even more contemporary and chiseled. Redesigned fenders and a hood for the 2024 4Runner might be a big change, regardless of whether Toyota chooses to draw inspiration from existing vehicles or develop a brand new design. Addition of a sunroof. Another possible modification to the 2024 Toyota 4Runner is the installation of a sunroof. As they offer an open-air driving experience and permit natural light to enter the cabin, sunroofs have grown in popularity as a feature in contemporary vehicles. Many SUVs come with a range of sunroof choices, including panoramic sunroofs that cover the whole roof of the vehicle. Two popular SUVs in America are the Jeep Wrangler and the luxurious Land Rover Range Rover. Sunroofs can increase the value of a car by offering a distinctive driving experience. Vehicles with sunroofs hold their value better than those without, according to Edmunds. Sunroofs can also boost a car's overall attractiveness to potential purchases by enhancing its appearance. That being said, what do you think of the 40th anniversary edition of the Toyota 4Runner? And also, are you excited with the incoming 2024 model year? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.